In this video we will study few definitions or few important concepts about the vector algebra. The first one is modulus of vector. You must be aware of this word, modulus of vector. Now what is that? This is actually the magnitude of any vector, and it is represented by these two lines, which is A mod. So basically this is known as the magnitude of a vector. For example, a vector A is represented by, suppose that is 3A, right? In this case this is its magnitude, which is actually not, because a vector is associated with three direction, which is represented in x, y, z coordinate, that we will discuss later. So basically A magnitude means, here we are talking about the modulus, means the magnitude of that vector, magnitude of vector, right? So in that case, whatever is the vector associated with, either it is negative or positive, the mod represent only about the magnitude. Second one is unit vector, which is most important. Unit vector, what is this? Unit vector of a given vector is a vector of unit magnitude, vector of unit magnitude, and has direction same as that of vector, right? So basically unit vector is represented by this word A cap. A cap means unit vector. So if I represent a vector A vector, then it will be represented as A, which is the magnitude, and A cap, which is the unit vector associated with it, which is having magnitude 1 and direction as that of A, right? So basically it will represent A cap. A vector is a vector having some magnitude, and its magnitude is A, and this A cap is representing another vector having unit magnitude like 1 and direction as that of A. I hope this concept is clear. So A cap is equal to A vector by A. This formula is most important formula, which will be used in many of the numericals. Let us have a look over one numerical for that. Before doing the numerical, I want to tell you that if we are talking about xyz coordinates, xyz coordinate, as the body is moving, can move in any of the three direction, and vector can be associated with that body in any of the direction xyz, then conventionally I cap represent the unit vector along x-axis, and j cap represent the unit vector associated with y-axis, and k cap represent the unit vector along the z-axis. Now let us have a look over a numerical. For example, if a vector is A vector, which is suppose 3I cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap, right? In this case it shows that a vector A is having a 3 coordinate 3 in x-axis, minus 4 along y-axis, and 2 along z-axis. So in that case, if we need to find out the A cap, so what will you do first? You will find out A modulus, which is the magnitude of A, right? So how do you calculate magnitude? This can be calculated by formula. This is represented as AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZK cap, right? In this case AX square, the formula is AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. So AX is at 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. If we solve it, it will be 9 plus 16 plus 4. So 9 plus 16 is 15 plus 4 is 29, root 29. So in this case magnitude we have calculated. Then putting the values in this, A cap is equal to, A vector is our 3I cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 29. So this is the unit vector associated with the vector A. So I hope this concept is clear to everyone. Now let us moving to our next video, which will cover more definitions about the vector algebra.